welcome back to Heart and Soul Home. Welcome if you're new and welcome if you're coming back. Today is going to be a short video, but I just wanted to share with you one more great gift idea. And I really honestly think this could be a gift for a man or a woman because I'm going to try to use it in different ways that we can kind of see how it works. I think the initial thought would be a car vac that you could use in your car, but I'm thinking there's some areas around my house that I could really use something like this, and it being a little bit more high powered than a traditional hand vac. So let's take a look at this and let's see its uses. Okay, so first, like I mentioned, this is a rechargeable hand vac that you can use in the car. You can use, I'm gonna try all over the house. It is made by the brand XCOOL. It is on Amazon. I'll have all the information down below. It came real quickly, came in a nice box. I didn't save the box, but it also comes with a carrying case. And I thought that was a really cool idea if you're going to keep it in the car. You know what I mean? It comes with, you know, obviously the vac, the charger, you know, the vac comes and stays in, you know, can go in the case here. It has all different kinds of attachments and this nice little area up here. You can keep them. So like you've got one for little crevices, and I'm thinking this might be a really great one that I would really use. Here you've got for the car, you know, you can really get in there. Something I thought was really fun. This is to blow up stuff. So it's like a big blow up and then a smaller one. And like, I know that, just thinking right now, looking outside my window, I have these big ornament ball things that you have to blow up. This would be great, or like pool toys and stuff to play in the pool or kids' toys. I don't think this is not for like a basketball. That'd be something different. But you know, what a great idea to include that you could actually just use that vac and have an attachment and use it for that. So I thought that was really cool. I was wondering what this was. This is another inflator. So this might be for like a basketball type of thing. That's awesome. And then little detailing brushes, you know, for the car, or really probably anything. So that's great. And what is this? Let's see. Vacuum nozzle. I guess maybe you have to, So clearly I have some reading to do. But then it also comes with an extra filter. And then all of the information here and how to use it and how to attach and all that kind of stuff. I mean, I think this is really cool. I think it could be great for a guy, but it's also really great for you know, any women, because like I said, you know, there's little crevice areas that your vacuum just doesn't get, or like in the fridge or freezer, I like to kind of vacuum out some of the crumbs and that kind of stuff. With all these different attachments, I think that might be a great, you know, great solution for that as well. So I think this could really be a great gift for a man or a woman. And if they wanted to use it for the car, you know, keeping their car up, or just, you know, for around the house with whatever. So let's give this a test. Okay, so my first test, I mean, this is so fun. It's like it's like a drill. I mean, you have your PowerPoint here. I'm gonna turn it on. You turn it on for 3 seconds. So that's low. You can feel, that's powerful. That's medium. And then off. So this is like the floor, or you could use it for your rugs in your car. So I'm gonna find a spot. I wanna try inside first. I wanna try the different nozzles first. So this one you just pull in here and then you can attach this, you know, this piece here. One thing I wanted to mention when I was reading that I think is so fun, this is for when, you know, like you have those storage bags and you suck out the air. How fun. This is great. So let's find a spot in the house so we can try this out on the floor. That would be a hard spot to get with the vacuum. Okay, so excuse the washing machine going, but this is in the entry here. This is this cabinet that I have down here. And it always gets really bad with, you know, debris and stuff that the vacuum just doesn't pick up. I'm gonna try it on this, let's see. Wow, there is a lot of different uses for this, and I think this is a great idea for a gift for anyone. I mean, I kind of tooled it around. I didn't even show it, but I even, you know, did a little bit in the fridge. You know, it's sleek, it's compact, it's easy to use, easy instructions. I definitely recommend this one. And, you know, use the code down below. I just think it's great. And what easy storage to be able to put it away in this great bag and have all of your tools and your instructions and everything just ready to go. Whether you leave it in your car or you leave it in the house. It's compact, it's easy to go. I highly, highly recommend this. I think this would be a great gift for somebody. So I hope this gave you an idea for a gift, maybe something you've been looking for. I will have all the information down below in the description box. And happy shopping. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.